Paramahansa Yogananda's top teachings. Achieve balance, peace, and Hansa Yogananda, 1893 to 1952, was a renowned spirit known for bringing Kriya Yoga to the West. His teachings focus on self-realization, spiritual unity, and the practical application of meditation techniques for personal growth and divine connection. His seminal work, Autobiography of a Yogi, is a classic in spiritual literature. Paramahansa Yogananda is known for a variety of impactful teachings and methods. Here are some of his most significant contributions. 1. Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga is perhaps Yogananda's most famous teaching. It's a comprehensive spiritual practice designed to accelerate personal, spiritual growth and self-realization. Key aspects include technique. Kriya Yoga involves a specific set of breathing techniques and meditations that work to harmonize the mind, body, and spirit. Purpose: it aims to help practitioners attain higher states of consciousness and deeper communion with the divine. 2. Self-realization. Yogananda emphasized the concept of self-realization, which is the understanding and experience of one's divine nature. This involves awareness of the self, realizing that one is not merely the body or mind but the eternal, unchanging soul. Direct experience. Through meditation and spiritual practices, one can experience a direct connection with 3. Spiritual unity. Yogananda taught that all major religions have the same fundamental truth and that they are different paths to the same God. This concept of spiritual unity is a cornerstone of his teachings. Interfaith harmony. He encouraged respect and understanding among different religions and recognized that diverse spiritual paths can lead to the same ultimate goal. 4. The science of religion. Yogananda described spirituality as a science with systematic methods and practices that can lead to personal transformation. Scientific approach to spirituality. He encouraged students to approach spiritual practices with rigor and discipline as scientific experiments. 5. The law of balance. Yogananda emphasized the importance of balance in all aspects of life. Harmony, balancing the material and spiritual aspects of life, work and meditation, action and contemplation. 6. Spiritual techniques for daily life. Yogananda offered practical techniques for integrating spiritual practices into everyday life. Daily meditation, regular meditation to maintain spiritual focus and inner peace. Thinking, using affirmations and a positive mental attitude to overcome challenges and foster spiritual growth. 7. Divine Mother concept. Yogananda taught about the Divine Mother, the female aspect of God, as a loving and nurturing presence. Personal relationship. Cultivating a personal relationship with the Divine Mother for spiritual comfort. And 8. The power of prayer. Yogananda emphasized the transformative power of sincere prayer. He taught that prayer should be earnest and directed toward the divine with a sincere heart. 9. Teachings on death and afterlife. Yogananda addressed the nature of death and the soul's journey. Eternal soul and reincarnation. He taught that death is not an end but a transition to a new state of existence, and the soul continues its journey towards self-realization and union. 10. The role of a spiritual teacher. Yogananda emphasized the importance of having a spiritual teacher or guru for guidance. Guru-disciple relationship. The guru provides spiritual direction and the disciple navigate the path to enlightenment. Books by Paramahansa Yogananda. Autobiography of a Yogi. Yogananda's seminal work detailing his life and spiritual experiences. The Second Coming of Christ, a deep exploration of the teachings of Jesus Christ from a yogic perspective. Methods and practices. Meditation techniques. Yogananda taught various meditation techniques, including the practice of technique for concentration and the energization exercises for physical and spiritual vitality. Spiritual community. Encouraging the formation of spiritual community. Shared growth and support. Yogananda's teachings continue to inspire and guide spiritual seekers around the world, offering practical methods for spiritual growth and a profound understanding of divine principles. For more information about Paramahansa Yogananda, please check out https://www and https://yogananda.org for additional strategies and life philosophies to help you lead a more masterful life. Please visit Amazon.com and search for Rat Synthesis. Also visit ratsynthesis.com.